Welcome to the future of web browsing. Meet ChatGPT Atlas, a browser built not just for browsing, but for conversing with the web. Imagine a browser that doesn't just load pages, it understands them, talks with you, and helps you get things done. ChatGPT Atlas is an AI-enabled browser from OpenAI, designed around one simple but powerful idea. What if you could chat with your browser? At its core, it feels familiar. Tabs, bookmarks, and history all look the same. But alongside them sits a built-in chat experience powered by ChatGPT. Instead of typing URLs and keywords, you can simply ask a question. What's this page about? Compare these two products, or help me edit this email. Atlas listens, understands, and responds. Among its most exciting features is context-aware chat, which allows you to ask ChatGPT questions about any page you're viewing. It reads and understands the content, giving you summaries, insights, or next steps instantly. With memory and personalization, Atlas can optionally learn from your browsing habits, what you search for, what you read, and how you explore, to deliver more personalized help over time, all while keeping you in control of what's remembered. For advanced users, Agent Mode takes it even further. The browser can act on your behalf, pulling together shopping lists, filling out forms, or even booking reservations, all from within the same interface. Atlas also introduces a unified search and browsing experience. Every new tab begins with a single prompt box where you can type either a question or a web address. The browser responds conversationally, but still provides the familiar search results with links, images, and videos when you need them. And throughout all of this, privacy remains at the center. Browser memories are optional, and browsing data is not automatically used to train AI models, ensuring you stay in full control of your experience. For years, web browsers have evolved slowly, adding new tabs, extensions, and sync options, but the core experience remained unchanged. With ChatGPT Atlas, OpenAI reimagines what a browser can be. It's less about switching between tabs or copying and pasting into ChatGPT, and more about integrating intelligence directly into your browsing flow. The browser becomes your partner, helping you explore, understand, and act. From research and writing to shopping and organization, the line between surfing and doing disappears. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a leap toward a new kind of web experience. ChatGPT Atlas is available now for macOS, with Windows, iOS, and Android versions coming soon. Download it, sign in with your ChatGPT account, and your bookmarks, preferences, and browsing history come along for the ride, making the transition seamless. So, are you ready to browse smarter? Visit the official site to download ChatGPT Atlas and experience a browser that chats, remembers, and acts for you. The web has changed, and now your browser has too. ChatGPT Atlas. Browse, ask, achieve. Because your browser should do more than open pages. It should open possibilities.